Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another Minecraft video from SLpreme. Today we're going to be making a nuke cannon slash launcher, whatever you want to say it. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, here we are. This is the actual cannon. I'm going to show you guys how to build it in a second. And yeah, let's start with this side. You want to have this exact layout. So let me just rebuild it for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 pistons facing this way. 1, 2. Alright, you got that? And now 8 pistons. And then you want to crouch in order to place the rest. So oh shoot, how do you, there. And then you want to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So make sure you only leave 1 block of space. Oh. And then, let's see, run redstone across it. And then the next step is, oh yeah, I forgot about these. Yeah, make sure you get them. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Now you want to make sure you keep running the redstone across. And then finally you have 1 more piston facing this way. And I need to get it back to daytime because I can't see anything at night. Boom. I'm kind of stuck. Finally put up some ladders. Shoot. No. Actually, yeah, 4 of them. Only by the pistons. Alright. And then, yeah, put down the water. There we go. Should be 3. And last up is making the switches. So I'm gonna build this in reverse. On that side it's on the right, this side's on the left, so that's one thing that's different. Run down here, and then you want to put a comparator and then click it once and then put a lever, and then on this side I'm gonna put 1 here, 1 here, and then back up, and then down, and then up again, just once. You can go ahead and block these. And finally, the last step. Oh shoot, forgot about that. You want to put the lever there too. Alright. Basically, you want to put all the TNT, get as many as you can. So I'm gonna go put all these stuff away because we don't need it anymore. And just get as many stacks as you can possibly get. Alright. I'm just gonna put 1 in each. finally, with the last step, want to do the main launcher piston, or not piston, dispenser for 1 second. 1, 2. Bam. I kind of exploded my can on accident. I believe. Oh, I forgot about one more step. You gotta dig a hole right in front of you. Alright ladies, we are ready. Remember, 1 second, 2 seconds. 1, 2. Let's go. But yeah, you better remember to dig a hole right in front, otherwise you're gonna blow up your cannon. Okay, we're gonna make this process automatic. 1, 2. 1, 2. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and
Jello Beats, holla at me.